Hello YouTube, new mod for you guys today. It is a nerf mavrick gun partial assault rifle. So yeah, as you can see, it's got a barrel. I put my nerf reflex sight on it, and it's got a bolt. Yeah, there's the reflex sight. It's on and working perfectly fine. So yeah, it's ready to go. So range test on this thing. Right there, that door. Inside that door is 30 feet. Oh, that bullet was a bad bullet. Doesn't work sometimes. It's got better luck with streamlines. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, sorry about the two bad bullets at the beginning. It actually works better with streamlines than sections because I don't know. Is that? No, it's actually perfect diameter. Just I don't know. But yeah, well, that's that. See you guys.